Hey everyone, it's Mr. Klausner here. Welcome to computer skills class. So this is for the semester class. It's a 2021 to 2021 because we're ending in December. It's going to be awesome. Let me share my screen. I'll do these daily videos for each class. We might do them by the week, but let me just go ahead and start with our quick PowerPoint here. Essentially though, day one, kind of an interesting day. We're not going to dive too much into the content, but let me walk through kind of a big thing. So welcome to Computer Skills, our first day agenda. We do a very specific process when it comes to entering the classroom. How do we take attendance? How we do the prayer when we raise our hands. That's how you get my attention. We all agree to honor our ancestors, follow the rules, and not bully others. And then we do a do now. So most classes start with a do now. And this one, we're just going to talk about it. What do you think this class is all about? And what are your goals for the computer skills class? And I will put these in what I call a Jamboard, which is an online tool that we'll be working with a lot. Those of you that are online, we can work through that at the same time, which is pretty nice synchronously. So you can see that. Then we go over kind of like the class stuff. So that's what I'm calling that: behavior, how to do procedures, go to the bathroom, get our water, sharpen our pencils, all that good stuff. Protocols, same thing. Then we're going to walk through the syllabus. So I do have our very own syllabus. So let me go ahead and exit out of this and share a different screen. So it's back to me, full person. Where did he go? See, got a lot going on here. There. So let me share this. Sorry, sometimes technical difficulties, that's okay. So I'm going to share with you now the syllabus. So this is a big part of our class. It's middle school computer application or skills. We're using both those terms. There's my information. I'm in room Newell Hall 63. That's my phone. If you want to get in touch with me in the classroom. It says, hello, I'm aiming to teach you how to be a good man, a kind person, and a well-rounded individual, while also building our necessary 21st century skills and how to be ethical users. So the middle school computer skills curriculum is to make sure that students are completely fluent and at ease with the tools of technology so that students can concentrate on expanding their knowledge through projects rather than learning specific steps in computer operations. So what that means is we're going to be doing projects that'll show that we know how to do these certain computer skills things. By the end of this course, you should be able to work with your other classes better. You can do desktop publishing tools, online tools, spreadsheets, graphing, coding, a little bit of coding, video editing tools. An important part of this semester is to use multimedia and digital video to enhance projects. So we're going to be learning a lot about that this term. There are some things, mainly the most important thing is you have a fully charged laptop or digital device for our thing. So we will jump around our course outline, but this is really good to know. We will start with Google Drive. We'll start with word processing. We'll start with how to format all those good things, spreadsheets, sheets on Google, and presentation. We'll also work with organization. How do you organize your Google Drive? How do you set up folders? How do you do all that stuff? It's a lot of basics, but it's a good launching pad for us. Then we will work on some keyboarding, typing, and we'll also work how to navigate between the PC, which is a personal computer, and the Apple, which would be like MacBooks, and those two universes, because sometimes they don't always play super nice together. We'll also work in Google Slides, so we'll be doing a little bit of web design. You can see there, and we'll also work with Google Forms, a way to collect data and do surveys. And then at the end, we kind of roll into computer science. So we do a little graphing, a little coding, a little programming, and video editing. So that's that. Most of this class is the classwork, homework, and the assessments. There you can see classwork, all that stuff. The main thing is you will be an ethical user of technology. If you do that, we won't have any problems. There are some behavior stuff that we'll talk about, plagiarism and all that. Okay. So that is that. Let me actually switch over now and share a different part of my screen, because this is where I'm basing the syllabus off of. So this is our this is actually from New Jersey, but they have a really good one. So you can see Google Drive, word processing, web design, forms, maps, clouds. And so here are some of the questions. How can we use processing software like Word and Google Docs. So we're going to jump into there, Google Drawings, Google Presentation, PowerPoint, slides, all that good stuff. So this is a little bit longer version. There's all the resources in there, and I have it all ready to go. And we'll also be incorporating, again, towards the end, a little bit of the exploring computer science curriculum, talking about binary languages and what is computing, looking at some big data, talking about the history of computers and all that as well. So I'm really excited. Surveying and all this stuff here. So let me stop the share and go back to our first one. Okay, so jumping around a lot, but and this one's a really long video, so thank you for staying with me. But here you can see our class stuff, the requirements, the syllabus, that we're going through a small activity. What is a computer and what does that look like? And then we clean up and dismiss. We'll look ahead to Friday. So those of you that are online, I hope this was helpful. I hope you all are doing well, and welcome to class.